Oh, why? Oh, today I am going to show you how to reinstall the carburetor, classic carburetor made in England. Okay. In England, SU Carburetor. Today I'm going to show you how to reinstall the SU carburetor. Firstly I am show you how to remove the petrol tank of carburetor. First you remove the 3 nuts in the carburetor tank. Now you can remove easily tank top of the carburetor. Oh, this is tank top of the carburetor. Okay. Now you can see jet of the carburetor tank. Okay, very small part. Okay. If the tank, this is a petrol fuel input of the tank. If the petrol is come to the tank slowly filling. After that, jet is off, tank is full fill. Okay. Tank is empty, jet is open. Now fuel come to cross this tube. Okay, tube into the fuel carburetor tank. Now I am going to fix it the correct place of the SU carburetor. Okay. Before the fixed nuts, you should keep the carburetor carburetor tank top gasket in the carburetor. After that, I am correct place to fix it. Okay, use these 3 nuts and connect correctly. Okay. Now I'm going to show you gate of the carburetor. This is air gate. Okay, you can see the air gate of the carburetor. This point is an accelerator connecting point of the carburetor. If the accelerator is go down, carburetor door slowly open. If accelerator remove the foot from carburetor, now back to normal. Gate is back to close position of the carburetor. This hole is the connecting the accelerator cable to the carburetor. You can use this hole for the connecting accelerator cable to the carburetor. Okay, now I'm going to show you what is the choke point of the carburetor. This is choke cable connect to here. This is the choke of the carburetor. If the choke is go up, the jet is come to down in the SU carburetor. So more fuel come to the carburetor. Okay, if the choke is closed, jet's back to close position of the carburetor. Now fuel consumption is good. Now more fuel come to the carburetor if the jet is open. Okay. I'm going to show you top of the carburetor. We can see we can use the remove the top these 2 points. You should remove the 2 points nuts from the top. Okay, I'm going to show you how to remove the carburetor top. Okay, now I am going to remove the top of the carburetor. This is the other side of carburetor top. We need to remove the screen of the top of carburetor. After that, we can see needle remove this part of the carburetor. This is a needle of the SU carburetor. This is the fuel hole. If the needle go down, fuel hole back to closed position, and this go up, fuel hole back to open position. Okay. If you connecting the needle, you should use this mark. You can see the groove in the needle point. Okay, you should put the same as these 2 points. You should use these 2 points same directions. Okay, if cannot fix it, if you change the direction of the needle. Okay, this is the top of the carburetor. Now I'm going to show you open the top. This is the gate in the carburetor top. You should use some liquid oil for this point. You should fill the oil before the fixing the carburetor. Okay. Today I am to show you what are the main important points of the SU carburetor. This is the tuning point. This is the tuning point of the carburetor. You can see the nuts and spring in the carburetor. If this nut fixed to right hand side, the engine speed go high. If the turn other side, engine speed and engine RPM goes down. If the fix it, engine RPM goes high. Okay. These are the main parts and the tuning the SU carburetor. This is the air filter point of the carburetor. You should fix air filter into this point. Okay. These are the main component of the SU carburetor. Now I'm going to how to fix the top of the carburetor. I'm going to show you how to fix the top of the carburetor. Now I think now it fixing correctly. Okay, now it is fixed correctly. Okay, today lesson, I'm going to stop the today lesson of the about SU carburetor. Thank you very much.